Understanding planetary collision, a cosmic phenomenon. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that combines astronomy and language. Planetary collision. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how you can use it in a conversation. Planetary collision refers to an event where two planets, or a planet and another celestial body, such as a moon or asteroid, come into direct contact with each other. This is a rare and significant event in the universe that can lead to dramatic changes, including the formation of new celestial bodies or the destruction of existing ones. The concept might remind you of scenes from science fiction movies, but it's a real phenomenon that astronomers study. Planetary collisions occur over millions of years and involve complex gravitational interactions. When celestial bodies travel through space, they can be pulled towards each other by gravity. If they're unable to escape each other's gravitational pull, they collide. These collisions can be destructive, leading to the breaking apart of planets, or creative, contributing to the creation of moons or rings around planets. One of the most famous examples of a planetary collision is the giant impact hypothesis. This theory suggests that the Moon was formed from the debris left over from a collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body named Theia, about 4.5 billion years ago. Another example is the collision between two planets that led to the formation of Uranus's tilted axis. Understanding planetary collisions helps scientists learn more about the formation and evolution of our solar system and others. It provides insights into the dynamics of celestial bodies and the forces at work in the universe. For language learners, knowing such terms enriches your vocabulary, especially if you're interested in science and astronomy. I hope this video has illuminated the fascinating concept of planetary collision for you. Not only is it a critical phenomenon in understanding the universe, but it's also a fantastic addition to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English is not just about everyday conversations, it's also about unlocking the wonders of the world through language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.